Welcome, children. Today in EVS 1, we are going to learn about storage of water. What's the solution? Savani and Amaya get tap water in their house. As a result, the water from the drawell, which had been used since the old days, is not used any longer. Because of this, grandmother is upset. Suggest how Savani and Amaya can use the travel water for purposes other than drinking. Recent systems dams. The most important of all recent water storages is the dam. Dams made it possible to store huge quantities of water. As a result, more land was brought under cultivation. Cities began to grow. It became possible to set up factories and generate electricity. Maharashtra has several large dams such as Jayakawadi, Koina, Ujni, and Yeldari. Borewells. Earlier, wells were dug to reach the water under the ground, but it was not possible to draw deep seated groundwater. Now, with the help of electric pumps, it is possible to do so. Borewells are dug for this purpose. These wells are very deep but very narrow. Here you can see the bore wells. Panpoi drinking water stands. People out on the roads need water when they are thirsty. In some places, big clay jars of drinking water are kept for the use of such people. This water is offered free of charge. This is known as panpoi. Panpoi is Panpois are set up by individuals or institutions. Panpois are very useful, especially in summer. Do you know Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj gave the following instructions for the construction of hill forts? A fort, that is a hill fort, should be built after first finding out if there is water in the place. If there is no water and if it becomes necessary to fortify the place, then by breaking the rock, reservoirs and tanks should be built. One should not wholly depend upon the supposition that there is a spring of water in the fort and that it would somehow or other supply enough water. For storing water, 2 to 4 reservoirs should be constructed. Water from them should not be allowed to be spent. The water in the fort should be well protected. What we have learned: traditional methods of water storage, modern methods of water storage, economical use of water. Always remember, water is a natural resource. All living things need water. We must keep this in mind when we use water. Thank you.